I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I've been wanting one of these for a while and I finally got it. This is the coffee mug warmer. Let's go ahead, open it up and try it out. So let's open the box and see exactly what's inside the box over here. So first of all, you have the mug that's nicely packed in there. The mug does come with a coating that's titanium aerospace, and it has the on button, the minus and the plus for the, comes with the instruction manual as well as the base, a charger, and the splash proof lid. The mug stays on top of the charger to charge, and then it will last off the charger when it's fully charged for 4.5 hours. Charger is going to plug into the base, and then you just plug it into the wall. This mug is going to be perfect whether you are sitting at your desk trying to get work done and like to sip your coffee all day long, or your kids won't let you have a hot cup of coffee, so you keep getting interrupted, and frankly you want to keep your coffee hot. It does go up to 150 degrees. It reads the temperature of the liquid inside of it, and it's going to adjust up or down. Once you set the temperature on there, what's going to happen is it is going to tell you how much you set it for, and then it'll go down to what the actual temperature is. Right now my mug is charging. It came about a quarter charged in here, or halfway charged, and we're going to go ahead and add some water in there to see what happens when we add the water. That is at room temperature, and then we're going to make some instant coffee that I usually do make with boiling water. First, let's fill it up with water to see how much it actually fills in there. So this is a 16-ounce water bottle. That's a normal size. This is how much is left from the 16 ounce, so I would say about 14 ounces in there, which is usually my morning cup of coffee size anyway. And once I turn it on, it's telling me that the water is 78 degrees. Now if I want to heat up the water, then I put it at 150, and it's going to start heating it up. That cap over there is going to insulate it inside. Now if you want your cup to stay hot longer, and you're at a place where you can leave it on the station, that way that the battery will reserve and it'll charge even when it's in there. I just made a cup of coffee that I usually make over here. That's instant coffee, boiling water. And I just dumped it in there. When you see it in there, it's going to read the temperature of it. It's at 162 degrees, so it's going to not heat it up. It's going to help it go down to 150 degrees, which is more of the appropriate warm coffee. Of course, if you want to keep it hotter longer, then just keep the cap on when you're not drinking it, and that's going to reserve it. I do love anything that's coffee related, so these kinds of gadgets I'm totally obsessed with. I'm going to love this one. I'm going to love using it while working at my desk, and this coffee definitely tasted good while drinking it. Y'all gotta check it out.